Video Guidebook for Thermal Spa Therapists with Sign Language Support. OCP Therm is an Erasmus Strategic Partnership project with 7 partners from 5 countries. Duration of the project is 24 months, and partners produce competence portfolio, including curriculum and training modules based on EQAVET principles and assessment tool based on EQAVET. It is an innovation in Europe which is addressing the needs and servicing on people with special needs, such as people with disabilities, pregnant women, and elderly people. Tourism plays an important role in the European Union due to its contribution to economic growth and employment, as well as its social, cultural, and environmental positive impacts. Europe has the biggest market share of international tourism receipts and tourist arrivals. In 2015, Europe accounted for 51% of international tourist arrivals. However, Europe's market share is decreasing. For this reason, main objective of EU tourism policy is to maintain leading position of Europe as an international tourist destination. In order to improve competitiveness of European tourism sector and increase demand, 2 critical policy issues are diversifying the supply of tourist services, improving professional skills in tourism sector. To diversify the supply of tourist services in EU, the development of health tourism is proposed by European Commission. Health tourism is traveling for the maintenance, enhancement, and restoration of well-being in mind and body. Health tourism is generally grouped into 2: medical tourism, wellness tourism. Medical tourism is travel activity of people who are ill and seek to receive some form of medical treatment, and that is called therapeutic dimension. Wellness tourism is the travel activity of people who are healthy and who want to maintain or improve their health and well-being, and that is recreational dimension. Lifestyle and health trends are global and driving attention to medical and wellness tourism as a way of improving the quality of life and reducing healthcare costs. Medical and wellness tourism has become a major global industry. Thermal and spa facilities are in a perfect position to offer treatments and services for both medical and wellness tourism in EU countries and improve the quality of life and wellness of people. Since ancient times, people traveled to baths and hot springs for healing and social reasons, while spa therapies have always been a way of being healthy. Traditional therapies include hydrotherapy practices for medical conditions, as well as pools, sauna, hydromassage, shower massage, steam bath, and hammam. Lymph drainage, aromatherapy, stone massage, Ayurveda, reflexology, and Thai massage arrived later to European countries. A large range of thermal spa therapies are addressing stress reduction, improved well-being, etc. Medical and wellness tourism are integrated within the context of thermal and spa facilities and have future growth potential in EU countries. This requires an extension and renewal of knowledge, skills, and competencies of those working in thermal and spa facilities in such areas as medical hydrotherapy, as well as treatments and services for the maintenance and promotion of health and wellness. Thermal spa therapist is such an emerging occupation that combines tasks and provide complex bundle of health, wellness, and beauty treatments and services. This project is an attempt to define the occupational profile for thermal spa therapists who will have necessary knowledge, skills, and competencies to apply both medical and wellness treatments and services. The project provides blended training modules and EQAVET assessment mechanism to meet the needs identified by the professionals of thermal spa sector, including servicing clients with special needs. To study the possibility of including this qualification in the repository of national certifications linked to EQF Level 3. The target groups are current employees in thermal and spa facilities, thermal spa therapists, professional branches from tourism, thermal spa treatment, and healthcare, vocational school and wet centers, tourism and healthcare students, hotel, spa centers, baths. Unique EQAVET curriculum for thermal spa therapists designed by the project partners. The training modules are Reception and Communication, Handling Ergonomics and Safety, Organization and Work Preparation, Realization of Care and Supervision, Hygiene and Maintenance of Premises, Servicing Clients with Special Needs. Reception and Communication. Reception of patients and guests important in thermal spa therapy. Therefore, this unit focuses on communication skills of thermal spa therapists. They learn how communication works, how to phrase questions, how to behave non-verbally, what pitfalls should be avoided, how medical terms are used and explained. Improved communication skills thoroughly improve the sense of qualitative treatment and have a positive psychological effect on the patient and guest. Handling ergonomics and safety. Thermal spa therapists should ensure that workplace is a safe, secure, and ergonomic place to work. This is important not just for the people who work there, but also for any clients. Ergonomics includes basic tips to prevent and eliminate injuries, pain, or discomfort associated with their indoor work. Safety looks at the many potential hazards in thermal spa places which could possibly hurt the people working or visiting there. Security is about the safekeeping of personal possessions of the people who work in or visit the thermal spa facilities. It is also about the security of equipment and other resources. Organization and work preparation. Thermal spa therapist guides, organizes, monitors, and ensures the proper implementation of thermal treatments or spa program in accordance with prescription, health requirements, and regulations. Organization and work preparation for spa treatment activities includes management of the client's documentation, understand medical prescriptions, choice of techniques and time implementation, client preparation, space preparation, equipment needed preparation. Realization of care and supervision. Thermal spa therapists should be aware of the procedures to adopt, considering the natural mineral water characteristics, client personal characteristics, prescription, and the equipment materials assigned to the techniques to be applied. For this purpose, it's necessary that thermal spa therapists know how to prepare, apply, and supervise the thermal techniques of balneotherapy, thalassotherapy, hydrokinesiotherapy, manual massage, and peloid therapy. Hygiene and maintenance of premises. Thermal spa therapists must use the equipment, tools, and materials related to each thermal technique, taking into account the medical prescription and usage rules, give instructions on the proper use of equipment and thermal facilities, apply the hygiene procedures. They should know how to carry out the disinfection of workplace according to cleaning and hygiene procedures. Any well-trained therapist knows hygiene rules and follows them, keeping the well-being and health of their clients first in mind. It is part of their training and incorporated into their daily routines. Servicing clients with special needs. All clients anticipate to be treated as special ones within the thermal and spa facilities. However, there is one heterogeneous group known as clients with special needs, which includes people with different types of disabilities, pregnant women, and elderly people. Thermal spa therapists should be aware of client-centered communication approach, disability etiquette, alternative means for communication, accessible presentation of different information, documents, materials. Thermal spa therapists should know different types of disabilities and limitations that the particular disability may cause in order to serve clients with disabilities in the best possible way. While servicing elderly people and pregnant women, thermal spa therapists should consider benefits and contraindications, as well as the risks of uncontrolled use of spa procedures. One of the key phases of the project is piloting of the training modules developed within the project. Training is free for all registered participants. Thermal spa professionals, recent graduates, or students from vocational schools who are willing and able to engage in training for gaining knowledge and skills to become thermal spa therapists can apply for pilot training. For more information, please visit our website, www.thermalforall.eu.